This is DURATECH low profile impact socket adapter set. This is a tool I didn't think I needed. Basically what these are low profile adapters. So you don't have to go through those, using those other adapters. I'll kind of show you how it works. So I got a little 3/8 socket here, and this says right on it, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. So what I can do is, and these are magnetic, I could put this on here. Now my 3/8 socket just became a 1/2 inch socket. Pretty neat. And I have basically I can go 3/4 to 1 inch. I can go 1/2 to 3/4. And I got this little tiny guy here, 1/4 inch to 3/8. So, for example, I have a little 1/4 inch stubby right here. I can put this 1/4 inch on there and I can make this now a 3/8. You can see how low profile that is. It almost looks like that's the size of the socket because it's so small. It doesn't take up much room. And yeah, really cool. Definitely a neat little concept that they have here. And the best part is that it doesn't take up any room. So they all kind of go inside of each other like this, and they're magnetic, so they kind of hold, it stays in. And that's basically what you're working with. I mean, that's a very small little kit there. The hardest part, is kind of pull them together because of the magnets. You might have to get like a screwdriver in there. I did just pull this together without anything, but they kind of sometimes get, because they're magnetic. But yeah, this is really neat. Definitely something that I think everybody should have in their toolkit, and just add it with all your other sockets. And it's nice that they're low profile. So DURATECH, you guys did it again. Very happy.